This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Bayshore Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, TV, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, external shower, slideout, smoke detector, stove top burner, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front living area, full wall slide, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Freightliner XCR Tag Axle with OnGuard chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.